The latest technology that our company Redo Marketing offers is actually called a machine called Rea Oxy. It's a second generation, which is the latest generation of oxygenation machine. Because if you know, the first generation of oxygenation machine is basically they spray the oxygen to the face. But this Rea Oxy machine, it uses carbon dioxide to directly stimulate oxygen from our body, making it way more effective. And also the result is even better. And then furthermore, this is a very complete facial machine. It contains oxygenation, exfoliation, massaging, and also RF. It's one of the best facial machine to get your aesthetic practice started. The most popular procedure that our company provides is actually most of the stuff that you see over here at AAAM, which is MCCM chemical peels and also microdermabrasion machine using silk peel, one of the finest machine in the market, microneedling, and also PRP. The future of our company in the aesthetic industry is definitely very strong because although the industry in Malaysia is still constantly growing, but the products and the procedure that we provide are still the basic necessities for every aesthetic clinics to get started on. So I would say we will definitely still be there, but at the same time, our company every year is also sourcing new treatments, new product, new procedure from overseas countries to cater to the current demand. So yeah, I would say it's definitely very strong with us.